Freedom is never given, it is won by the courage of those who dare to dream of it. Good morning, everyone, respected principal sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Rabia Basri, student of class 10, along with my class fellow Sana Khan.
Today we feel honored to stand before you all to speak on a topic that holds the soul of our nation, the timeline of India's freedom struggle.
Our independence was not achieved in a day. It was a result of decades of sacrifices, courage, and unity. Let's take a moment through history to remember all those unforgettable moments and the heroes who brought us freedom. The story of our freedom began much before 1857, but the first war of independence or the Sepoy Mutiny in 1857 marked the turning point. Brave leaders like Bahadur Shah Zafar, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and Mangal Pandey fought fearlessly against the British rule.
In 1885, the formation of Indian National Congress provided a same platform for all Indian voices. Leaders such as Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Chandrapal, and Lala Lajpat Rai provided a slogan which is known as Swaraj is our birthright.
The partition of Bengal in 1905 sparked the Swadeshi movement, which encouraged the people to boycott foreign goods and materials. Then came the tragic movement Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1919, which strengthened our demand for freedom. Under Mahatma Gandhi's leadership, the non-cooperation movement in 1920 and the civil disobedience movement in 1930 and the Quit India movement in 1942 brought millions of Indians together in peaceful yet powerful way. Meanwhile, Subhash Chandra Bose inspired the youths by his call, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom."
Finally, after decades of struggle and sacrifices, our India gained struggle in 15th August 1947. It was a day of pride, joy and happiness for all Indians, a day that reminds us of the unity and the prize of freedom.
Our freedom was earned from tears, sweat and blood of millions of patriots. Let us take a moment to salute and honor all their sacrifices by being responsible, united and devoted to our country's progress. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.